So I've been flying the DJI Flip Fly More combo with the RC2 controller for about the past 3 months, and it's quickly become one of my favorite pieces of gear. I use it almost every day while traveling full-time in my van for everything from mountain sunrises to coastal sunsets, and it's been rock solid the entire time. The setup is super quick and the drone stays incredibly stable even in windy and high altitude conditions. I've flown all over the Colorado Rockies, including a lot of locations above 9,000 feet, and it's handled like a champ. The 4K camera delivers crisp, cinematic footage every time, and the colors look great straight out of the drone. One of my absolute favorite features is the hyperlapse mode. It makes it easy to capture those dramatic, time-lapse style shots of clouds or light moving across the landscape without the need for any extra gear. I also really like the quick flight modes, especially the ones that don't require a controller, because it's so easy to launch, track, and film just with my phone or hand gestures that I can capture everything as the light's changing. The RC2 controller is another really big highlight. The built-in screen means I don't have to worry about connecting to my phone, and the customizable buttons underneath are a huge plus. I use them all the time for cruise control and precise landings, and it makes the whole flying experience way more intuitive. The battery life is also a big win. With 3 batteries in the Fly More combo, I can get about an hour of total flight time, which means I can fly multiple times a day, and they charge super quickly with the hub. After months of use through heat and cold and a bit of rain, this drone has held up perfectly. It's compact, dependable, and packed with features that make capturing smooth, professional-looking footage effortless. If you love to travel or create content, or just want a reliable way to capture amazing views, the DJI Fly More combo is absolutely worth it. It's powerful, it's easy to use, and just really a ton of fun to fly. I would highly recommend it. As always, you can find an affiliate link in the description below if you want to check this product out yourself.